Yes, so today we will talk about Xiaomi Mix Flip mobile. So let's get started. This one body weight is 190 gram and Xiaomi Dragon crystal glass exterior, aluminium frame, plastic film interior and plastic front, glass front. And this phone display is 6.86 inch foldable LTPO AMOLED 1B color HDR 10 plus 120Hz refresh rate. And this phone resolution is 1224 into 2912 pixel. Cheapest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm, and this phone memory is 256 GB with 12 GB RAM. OS Android 14 HyperOS. So this is on latest OS, and rear camera is 50 megapixel. Telephoto lens 50 megapixel with 2.0 aperture. This phone front camera is 32 megapixel with 2.0 aperture. And this phone rear camera can capture 8K with 24 fps, 4K with 24, 30 and 60 fps, HD with 30, 60, 120 and 240, and also 960 fps. So it's best for slow motion. And this phone front camera can capture 4K with 30 and 60 fps, HD with 30 and 60 fps. This phone battery is 4780 mAh with 67 watt wire charging system. So this phone connectivity is 5G, dual SIM, Wi-Fi 7, NFC and fingerprint reader and a strong speaker setup. So overall this phone is great and you can use this phone very comfortably. So that was the video for today, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.